Hello, everybody! Yes.
Chiropractor Kazakevich.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Relax. Relax. Look. Yes. Oh. One more. It's all. Are you okay?
Okay.
Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Let's start. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Yes. Your scoliosis. Sorry. Yes. 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 Up. Put up the leg. One. Are you a sportsman?
Yeah. I'm a sport girl.
Sport girl. Yes. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Yes. One. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Yes. Little bit.
Oh.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Relax. Yes. Relax. Look it up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Yes.
Oh.
Are you okay? Yes. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's start. Yes. Very well. Very well. Very well. Okay. Are you scared?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Huh? Relax. Oh! How do you feel? How are your legs? Кайф? Кайф. Sport legs. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hamstrings. Relax, relax. Okay, okay. Relax. Okay. Relax. Scoliosis. Okay. Now enjoy. Okay. Very well. Or relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Breathe in.
No.
Breathe in. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Yes. Are you here?
Okay.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you okay?
Okay.
You can sleep.
We have already 30,000 of us, so subscribe the channel. We love you. Oh, subscribe the channel.